Transferring files from iPhone to Android or Windows machine and vice versa is quite a hustle. Here's a simple 2-minute hack that will help you AirDrop files, images and even videos smoothly. Fun fact, this hack doesn't even require any active Bluetooth connection. But before we begin, I hope you have downloaded Radness app from the Play Store. If not, download it right now. You get to watch daily fresh 10 tech stories, play quiz and claim free rewards. Now that you have earned Rad coins, invest them in the giveaway to win Mi-10 5G that goes live in 30 days. Let's begin. Just browse to snapdrop.net on both the devices, that is the sender and the receiver. All the nearby devices will be visible on your screen. I like how they name the devices. Select the device and then select the file you want to transfer. Accept the file on the other device and you're all set. Here's a simple and a smooth trick to transfer files without any Bluetooth connection or any need of sign up or pairing. I'm sure this one is surely going to help you in transferring files cross-platform. Let us know in the comments if you find this video helpful. This is Ayush signing off. Until the next video, stay rad.